Hello and welcome all in this video. So we are going to discuss about the Aschelinthes, general characters of the phylum Aschelinthes. So these Aschelinthes are the organisms which is having the rounded body, so called as Aschelinthes, that is having sac-like worms. Aschelinthes means sac-like worms or thread-like worms. So this Aschelinthes having rounded worms like Ascaris. In that, the first general character here, that is, these organisms are mostly aquatic. Mostly aquatic organisms are found in these groups. Many organisms are parasitic. Number of organisms are parasitic and few are free living organisms also. So the first general character is that mostly aquatic, parasitic and few forms are free living. Then body is long, cylinder like or thread like. Body is long, cylindrical or thread like, and when we take the cross section we can found there is a circular cross section of this. When we take the CS of this organism we can found that is a circular in cross section. So these organisms are belonging to the phylum Aschelinthes, that is a roundworms. Organ system grade of organization is found in the body of this organism. They are having the organ system. So developed organ system grade of organization is found in these organisms. Then they are triploblastic. All the three body layers are present, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. All three body layers are present in these organisms, that is so called as triploblastic condition follows by this organism. These organisms are bilaterally symmetrical. When we cut this organism, we can divide the body of this organism in two equal halves. So they are having, these organisms are bilaterally symmetrical and pseudo-coelomate condition is found in this organism. There is no true coelom is found in the organism. So condition in between the acoelomate and coelomate, there is a condition that is called as pseudo-coelomate, that is false. Pseudo-coelom is found in this organism, not true coelom is found in the organism, that is pseudocoelom is found in the that particular organism's body. There is having tube within a tube body pattern or body plan. There is having tube within tube body plan found in this organism. Then body is covered by a tough cuticle. Body is covered by tough resistance cuticle, due to which these organisms remain alive in the body of the host, because there is the covering of the body is tough and resistance of cuticle made by the cuticle. Then body wall has longitudinal muscle fibers. Body wall is made by longitudinal muscle fibers. Then there are having some characters, general characters. The alimentary canal. About the alimentary canal is complete. It is all the parts of the alimentary canal is present. That is the mouth, started by the mouth and end to the anus. Mouth, then pharynx, esophagus, stomach, intestine. All these organisms organs are found in the alimentary canal. So alimentary canal is complete with mouth and anus at opposite end. Pharynx is well developed and muscular. Then excretion. This excretion takes place with the help of particular type of cell, that is called as protonephridia. So the excretory part of this organism is the protonephridia in some organisms. Excretion takes place with the help of the protonephridia in some organisms. Some organisms having canals or gland cells. Excretory products are eliminated through excretory pore. They have permanent excretory pore, and with the help of that excretory pore, the excretory products is thrown outside of the body or eliminated through the body. Then about the nervous system. Nervous system has a nerve ring and nerves. Nervous system, or there is having a ring and nerves. There is having the rings and nerve, that is called as nerve ring and nerves. Then animals are unisexual. These organisms are unisexual. Unisexual means male and female sexes are separate. So there is having unisexual condition. Sexes are separate. Male and female organisms are separately found. Animals like Ascaris. Ascaris show sexual dimorphism. Sexual dimorphism is found in the Ascaris-like organism. Sexual dimorphism. That is the character. With the help of that, we can differentiate the male and female organism. That condition is called as sexual dimorphism. So, sexual dimorphism is found in Ascaris-like organisms. That is, female is longer and broader and have straight posterior end. Female is longer and broader and have straight posterior end, and male is shorter and narrower and having curved posterior end. Male having curved posterior end and with a particular type of structure. The structure is called as pineal cyst, and this pineal cyst is useful for the copulation. So male female organisms are, we can differentiate with the help of these characters. The posterior end of the female is longer and broader and have straight and posterior end. Male is shorter and curved and having pineal cyst for the copulation. With the help of these sexual characters, we can differentiate male and female organisms. Then fertilization is internal. Fertilization takes place internally into the body. Development is direct with no larval stages. Development direct or indirect with complicated life history. Some of the examples like Ascaris, roundworm, Eucharia, filarial worm, Ancylostoma, hookworms. These are some examples belonging to this phylum Aschelminthus. So these are some general characters of the Aschelminthus. So if you like this video, then subscribe the channel and share with your friends.